a newfound hobby of mine, which is coffee. This is the new Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. It's the Thunder Black edition. I ordered it from Whole Latte Love, and I'm kind of going to be doing a little bit of unboxing in the first half of the video, just kind of showing the condition I received it in from Whole Latte Love. So be sure to check that out. For some of the people that have been around coffee for a while and they don't want to see that, if you could just skip to the end of the video, I'm going to do a workflow, basically using the new Fellow Opus, as well as the brand new Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. This does have a 9-bar OPV overpressure valve, which is a new add-on. It also has a new group head. It's got a brass group head. It's better at retaining heat. It's really, really good. I got some upgrades coming. The IMS shower screen, as well as a new basket. I'm going to be replacing this basket. This one's not really that great with the way they machine it. The holes aren't very consistent, so I'll be doing IMS basket. I'll go ahead and be adding the PID kit. So I'll go ahead and add that video up at a later time. But so far the machine has been really, really good. The grinder has been awesome. The future is going to be a dial-in video where I'll be going and using the micro adjustments and the macro adjustments. So be on the lookout for that. So I'll do another workflow update once I get all those parts in. Have great coffee every day, and over time this will definitely pay itself off. So a way to get around that is I'm gonna start making it at home. So stay tuned. So today we'll be basically just unboxing the Gaggia Classic Pro. This came from Whole Latte Love. As you can see, this is going to be the Classic Evo Pro in black. Of course, made in Italy. Gaggia is a great machine. I'll get this unboxed and show you guys the quality that it came in from Whole Latte Love. So we'll get right into that. There's basically no damage on the box from what I can see. It's handled with care, which is awesome. But nothing too bad. So I'll go ahead and get this unboxed. There's some issues with people saying that they did come used. They tell you that's just because they do test bench work prior to you getting it to make sure it works properly. So I'm gonna put this on the floor real quick. Pull this out of here. As you can see, this is how it comes. No damage to the box, looks brand new. We'll go ahead and open this up. All right. Here's what the machine looks like. As you can kind of see, just look how great that looks. I'm not going to put it down, but that's what it looks like. So yeah, is there anything else in this box? There it is. Looks like it comes with something from the drip tray. Owner's manual, a little bit of styrofoam. To me, this thing looks freaking immaculate. Whatever's in this box. Pretty heavy. Just plastic. Yeah, I don't see any signs of use on here, which is great. I was a little skeptical with Whole Latte Love because I saw a lot of people had issues where the machine looked a little bit used, and they answered back that it was because the machine got bench tested before shipping out. I don't see any signs of use on this one, so I'm pretty pumped. All right, so everything came with was the drip tray. You got some manuals. You got a portafilter, dual spout. I already switched out for the bottomless portafilter. You got a pressurized portafilter, single shot, non-pressurized. So you have two non-pressurized portafilters. One's double shot, single shot, and then you have a pressurized double shot. I don't want to mess that up, but I'll look at the instructions. You have power cord, see they have the brass fitting in here for the Evo Pro. We'll go ahead and brew a shot. Looks really, really good. The big trick is to start steaming before that light comes on. Wow. Look at the steam power on that. I think that basically cools down the boiler because you're making it come out this way. Now you have a shot that's perfectly capable. Awesome.